Thank you for choosing Duke Health for your healthcare needs. Hello, I'm Dr. Talisha Ramchal, a gastroenterologist at Duke Health. During this video, I will review the step-by-step instructions to complete your bowel prep. Your provider selected your colonoscopy prep based on your health history. A bowel prep removes the stool from your colon so your doctor can see the colon lining. Your prep is a one-day MiraLax prep. MiraLax is an over-the-counter laxative medicine. You do not need a prescription. The prep items you will need to complete your bowel prep are 1 bottle MiraLax powder, 17.9 ounces. Generic options are ClearLax or SmoothLax. 4 non-coated simethicone tablets, dose 125 milligrams, brand name Gas-X. 2 bisacodyl tablets, brand name Dulcolax. 3 28-ounce bottles of low-sugar sports drink. Examples are Gatorade Zero, Hydrolyte, Pedialyte, or Powerade Zero Sugar. Assorted clear liquids to drink the day before and the day of your procedure. Examples of clear liquids include chicken, beef, or vegan broth, gelatin, clear sodas, apple juice, and low-sugar sports drinks. Do not drink any clear liquids that are red or purple in color. Let's review each step in your prep. 2 weeks before your procedure. If you take medicines for diabetes or to thin your blood, talk to your provider about your medicines. You may need to stop taking these medicines before your colonoscopy. 7 days before your procedure. Stop taking iron pills and multivitamins with iron. Drink 1 extra glass of water every day until your procedure day. This will help your bowel prep. Remind your driver about your procedure date and time. 5 days before your procedure. Stop eating foods high in fiber like beans, vegetables, fruits, salads, nuts, or seeds. 2 days before your procedure. Stop taking your fiber supplements like Metamucil, Citracel, and Fiberol. At 6 p.m., take 2 Dulcolax tablets with a glass of water. 1 day before your procedure. Do not eat any solid food for the entire day. Drink only clear liquids and take the prep solution. In the morning, mix the laxative solution. Put 7 capfuls of MiraLax powder into 1 28-ounce bottle of sports drink. Repeat this step and put 7 capfuls of the MiraLax powder into the second 28-ounce bottle of the sports drink. Shake both bottles well and put both bottles into the refrigerator. At 5 p.m., take 1 bottle of the prep solution out of the refrigerator. Shake the bottle well. Using a straw, drink 1 glass of the solution every 10 minutes until it's gone. If you feel nauseous or vomit, stop drinking the prep solution and wait 30 minutes, then start drinking it again. At 6 p.m., take 2 simethicone tablets with a glass of water. At 7 p.m., take the second bottle of prep solution out of the refrigerator. Shake the bottle well. Drink 1 glass of the solution every 10 minutes until it's gone. It is important to drink both bottles of the prep solution. You will want to stay near a bathroom. A few hours after taking the prep, you will start having many bowel movements. Your bowel movements will be liquid. Before bed, prepare the prep solution for the next day. Put 7 capfuls of MiraLax powder into the third 28-ounce bottle of sports drink. Shake the bottle well and put the bottle into the refrigerator. Continue to drink clear fluids until you go to bed. Review your procedure arrival time. Remind your driver about your procedure time and location. On your procedure day, do not eat solid foods until after your colonoscopy. Continue drinking clear fluids. 5 hours before your scheduled procedure, take the third bottle of prep solution out of the refrigerator. Shake the bottle well. Drink the last bottle of the prep solution. It is important to drink the entire bottle. 4 hours before your procedure, take 2 simethicone tablets and then stop drinking all fluids. Follow your provider's instructions about your morning medicines. Take your medicines with a sip of water. 2 hours before your procedure, your bowel movements should be clear green or yellow. If you're still having solid or brown stool, please call Duke GI and speak to a nurse. Keys to a successful colonoscopy. Review the printed procedure instructions. Pick up your prep supplies. Watch the step-by-step prep video. Review your procedure date, arrival time, and location address. Remind your driver about your procedure date and time. Complete the bowel preparation. Follow your provider's instructions about your medicines. Your prep videos and printed instructions are available in the digital care section of your Duke MyChart. If you have any questions about your procedure or prep, please call Duke GI at 919-684-6437.